All right, ladies and gentlemen, you've made it to Station 4. If you're just starting out here, hey, welcome to Station 4. If you're not on Station 4, go back, find the right station video, and then come back to here again when you're ready for it. All right, so Station 4, I've got 3 different containers of 3 different liquids. Now, we're going to figure out how to use these, okay? Now, both of these are not very accurate, okay? If you'll notice, the scale on them, meaning how much it goes up from one line to the next, is really big. But you can use these for transportation of liquids, or if you happen just to be using 150 or 200 or one of the indicated levels, okay? To read these, okay? You got to get low on me, guys. Get low. Look at these. It's hard to see on here, but on these, you'll notice a distinct dip. You want to get level with the water and then read them exactly how it is on these numbers here, okay? So get as level with them as you can. Don't try to read them from up here or stuff like that or like this. You're not going to get an accurate reading. You want to be eye level with the level of the water. Now, both of these you'll read the exact same way. I know they look different, but it's the exact same thing. Trust me, I'm a scientist. Now, this guy though is our super accurate. Okay, you'll notice here we've got these little bitty ticks all up and down these things. All right, each one of those itty bitty little lines is 1 milliliter. So really small scale. These guys are great for measuring very precisely. Okay, so if you need to be precise, this is what you need to be using. Okay, now how you do this? You got to get eye level with it again. Okay, you got to get eye level. You're going to look at it and you're going to find the middle of the bottle. Okay, don't look at these outside edges. If you do, you'll notice the water kind of tilts up a little bit. We're looking for the meniscus. It's that little point at the water's edge where it kind of curves slightly down, okay? So we're gonna get eye level here and we're gonna look at it. And then we're gonna look and we're gonna look and go, this one here looks like it's 62 milliliters, okay? Now that you write that down, you're gonna come back to our conversion charts, okay? On our conversion charts, you'll notice that we gotta go from milliliters to liters, okay? To get to milliliters to liters, we gotta divide it by 1,000. Once you get that, write all those numbers down. Then you're gonna go up to kiloliters, okay? Again, you're gonna take it from liters, divide liters by 1,000, and then that'll give you kiloliters. I know these are gonna be really small numbers. Make sure you're as precise as you can be, okay? Any questions on that? Now, the only other thing this station has, guys, is temperature reading, okay? So, you'll have a thermometer in here. You're gonna let it submerge in here, okay? Let it sit for about a minute or so. If you don't hesitate, don't grab it, it'll adjust the temperatures, okay? Once you're ready, grab it out of here very gently. They're glass. And you're gonna read these, okay? This one looks like he's at 22 degrees Celsius. So you gotta get really close on these and read them. They're really small lines on them, okay? Once you do all that, look it over real good, write it down. Remember, we're not measuring in Fahrenheit anymore. This is Celsius. We're in science class, we gotta use science measurements. All right, if you got any questions, go back and watch this again. If you really don't understand it, raise your hand, I'll come square it up for you. Go to work.